I've been trying to find alternatives for peat moss in my garden, and I heard that leaf mold is a really good alternative. So this year, on January 4th, I collected all the fall leaves in my garden and started bagging them and filling up my compost bins with them. I want to show you the progress in late July. Here are my compost bins, and here is my compost turning tool that I absolutely love. And I have been filling up food scraps in this compost bin. And when I fill up food scraps in a bin, I like to layer it with a layer of browns. That keeps the smell under control, it keeps the pests away, and it also is needed in order to form compost. You need the right combination of greens and browns. So while looking for browns, I decided to take a look at this bin, which is the one that I filled up completely to the brim with oak leaves in early January. And when I looked at it, I saw a bunch of leaves on the top. And I was a little disappointed because I was like, yes, great, the level's gone down more than 50%, but it still looks like leaves. So I can't really use it as a peat moss alternative. Then I started to scratch into the surface, and this is what I saw. Look at this amazing, completely decomposed leaf material that could easily be a great substitute for peat moss or coco coir. The other amazing thing about this stuff is it's actually very nutrient dense. These are leaves from my oak trees that have burrowed deep into the ground and pulled all those wonderful minerals and other nutrients and put it into the leaves. So all I need to do now is sift this stuff a little bit and I'll have a wonderful seed starting mix, or I can use it in potting soil, in all the places that you would use peat moss or coco coir, both of which I do not prefer to use in my garden because of the environmental implications. Isn't this a great way to reuse what's already in your own garden?